Same footprint, same appliances, totally new kitchen. This is what this Aurora kitchen looked like before we touched a single wall. Original honey oak, mismatched black dishwasher, hardware someone already tried to update once. We didn't tear this kitchen apart. Instead, we kept the existing cabinet boxes and rebuilt from there. Same granite counters, same sink, same plumbing, same appliances. Nothing structural removed. Less demo means less disruption to your daily life. Shaker-style doors in Cascade White up top, dust gray on the bottom. Inside the pantry, we added full slide-out drawers so nothing gets lost in the back. Same layout you already know how to move through, just built for how you actually use it. This was a cabinet restyle in Aurora, Colorado, led by our installer, Marcus Carey. Link to his story is below. If your kitchen has good bones, you don't need to gut it. HomePride Bath, Colorado's trusted remodeling resource.